Hello, welcome to How to Grow Echinacea from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store. On the reverse of the packet shows the growing times and growing conditions for your region. The second step is to fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. Gently press the compost down to remove any air pockets and then give the compost a good watering. The third step is to place the seeds on top of the compost. Next, cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Fit a label and then fit the transparent plastic cover. Step 4. Keep the propagator tray in a warm, bright place, but not in direct sunlight. Here I'm using a spare room in my house. Step 5. Within a few weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 6. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First, give the seedlings a good watering. Next, fill a pot with compost. Give the compost a good watering and then make a hole in the centre using your thumb or a stick. Carefully remove a seedling from the propagator tray, trying to take as much root as possible. Place the seedling in the hole in the compost and then gently press down around its roots. Finally, water the seedlings into place. Keep warm and watered, and the plants will gradually get bigger. Step 7. When it's warm enough, it's time to plant outside. I'm planting mine in this border in my garden. First, dig the soil to remove any stones and any weeds. Next, mark the position of the plants. Keep them at least 18 inches apart. If you want to keep them in a straight line, use a piece of string as a marker. Before planting out, give the plants a good watering. Using a garden trowel, dig a small hole in the soil. Carefully remove the plant from the pot, being careful not to damage the stem. Fill in the hole and gently press the soil around the roots. Finally, give the plant a good soaking. Step 8. Keep the plants watered and weed free. Over the next few months the plants will get larger and larger, but in this first year they didn't produce any flowers. Step 9. Over winter the plants will die back completely to almost nothing. As the weather warms up, the plants will gradually start producing new shoots. Within a month they will have re-established themselves. Step 10. Within another couple of months the plants will be about 3 feet tall and flower buds will start appearing on the top of the stems. Soon these will turn to beautiful flowers. The flowers are extremely popular with bees. Mine were always covered with them. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.